So in this video, I'm going to show you how to earn USDT by staking Usdp in this project. This is a website mining called Perkins. You can earn free USDP to stake it and earn USDT. So in this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to register. To register, locate the link in the video description. Do where to tap on it. Once you tap on the link, it's going to bring you to the Chrome or any browser you are using. You will see login here. Once you tap on that login, then you will now have to click on sign in down. You have to sign in because you don't have the account, so you have to sign in. Put your email. They will send you the OTP. Then you put the OTP, put your password, and you start mining. To mine is just free like every other project. You do tasks every day to earn this USDP. Now you click on this task session. Once you tap on this task session, you can see that you have a limited time double rewards. So you have a limited time here. This is the limited time. It's going to refresh once this limited time, and this is how you earn this USDP. To earn it, you have to do the tasks. These are the tasks. You like plus retweet. You like plus retweet. Click on this arrow. Let's like plus retweet. It's going to take us to S. You like this their updates, and it is also going to help you to follow them on their S account so that you'll be getting updates. Genesis phase rewards guys, step 1, check in. Once you do your daily check-in, I've checked in for today, that's why I did not see it. Once you do your daily check-in, you're going to receive 10 USDP with 0 entry barrier. Now the second step is to complete community tasks to earn 810 USDP and activate stake mode. Once you have enough USDTP, you can activate your stake mode to receive USDT. So we are going to like this post and retweet it. So that is what this post required. You write anything you feel like, then you repost. After that, we go back to the app. Once you go back to the app, you have to refresh the app so that you can claim the reward. You can now see, once you refresh it, you will see this thing that says ×2. That means you are doubling your rewards. Now you tap on it, you refresh. I have gotten the rewards. Now you join their Telegram. Let's join their Telegram. So we are going to join their Telegram right here. Can you see we have joined their Telegram? Let's go back. Then you refresh again. Okay, now you click on the ×2. You refresh. Now I have gotten 110. Now I have 3 invites. Let me claim the rewards. Claim. I have to refresh. I've claimed it. So this is what you do basically to earn this reward. You invite your friends and families. Now this task is going to refresh after this countdown. Now for you to stake that your USDP to earn USDT, you can see stake here. You can see stake right here. Tap on this stake. Program overview. Stake USDP to earn USDT yields with up to 84% APR. Upon USDP staking maturity, USDT interest can be withdrawn directly. Once you stake your USDP, once it matures, you are going to withdraw the equivalent. Like these are the staking method you have here. The first one is to stake for 100 days for 100 USDP, and you are receiving 36 APR for 100. For 500, you are receiving 48% APR. For 1000, depending on the amount of USDP that you have. So let's assume I stake for 100. You can now see stake. You tap on this stake. Tap on stake is going to confirm, and the estimated yield is 4 USDT for 45 days. So I'm going to stake 100 USDP for 45 days to earn 4.5 USDT. So this is basically how you earn. Now you click on confirm stake. Now I have staked it. Total earned is now this is total earn for today for staking 100. I'm going to receive 4.5 USDT for 45 days. So equivalently, 1 month, I'm going to receive this for 45 days. So if you have 500, you click on the 500, you stake 500 USDT to receive. I can't stay 5 because I don't have up to 500. Okay, for 500, you are going to receive 30 USDT. Click on confirm stake. So I don't have up to 500. I can't stake this one. So this is basically how you earn. Make sure you do your tasks to earn this. Once you earn them, you can withdraw it once it matures. Now, if it matures, you can now click on this swap, whereby you put your maximum this thing that you want to swap, and the burn point will be this. You will now confirm swap to USDT. So this is how you swap basically. So locate the link in the video description. Start immediately and accumulate points. It is very simple. It is not stressful. Once the task is being refreshed, another task is being added, and this you can use it to stake your USDP to receive USDT once it matures. So if you have not started, link will be in the video description. Now if you come back here to the RWA, this is how you earn from alpha points by trading, unlocking USDT rewards. These are the coins that you can trade. Once you trade them, you're going to receive USDT. But for the free mining now that we are you just perform your tasks, invite your friends to earn, then you stake to earn more. So that is it for this video. I believe you got value from this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification for more updates. Thank you guys.